Good morning, welcome to Option Center. It is Wednesday, 6/2/21. Happy hump day. Welcome. We have quite a few new people in here, so thanks for joining us here. We want to hope to keep you updated and hopefully help you out with your trading day if you can. We also have a Discord, a free Discord, the Option Guys. Go down in the description and hit that link and you can join us. We go through trade ideas and a lot of camaraderie throughout the trading day. And so let's jump into our game plan for today. We have ES on the monthly time frame, RSI divergence. Let me just adjust the screen a little bit so we can get a better look. All right, now we're working on wave 5 of 5. We had last month of May, we had this nice doji candle. Let's see if we can push. We're right into the range, so let's see if we can push above, or if we start working our way down with the divergence. On the weekly, we're going to move pretty quick here. All right, weekly trend is our friend, working on wave 5 as well. We've been in sideways range for almost 2 months now. We're back into last week's range, just a small little area. Let's see if we can push up, maybe back test this this uptrend line from the Corona crash. We are above all MAs, so we're still bullish. We just have to break out this range. When we break out, we're probably going to be moving pretty quick in a certain direction. We just don't know what direction yet. We're trying to cross over here on the MACD. We have RSI negative divergence as well. And if you guys ever have any questions, just comment in the comment area. Just let me know, ask your questions, and yeah, we'll go from there. You can ask in the Discord as well. All right, so here we go. On the daily, trend is our friend. We are still in the same scenario that we were last week, where we're looking down for either a wave 4 correction, and this would be a new wave 1, 2, 3, and then we probably come back for a little correction for wave 4, or sideways or triangle, something like that, and then start working our way up more. Or the bearish scenario is we already had topped, and we're looking to go a wave 1, and this ABC is a wave 2. We have that tail candle there, so that could be a start of it. Let's see if we hold this 8MA, and then it would be a wave 3 down. Very impulsive. So let's see what happens today. Let's see if we can hold the 8MA, and also this we have a little bit of support area here, and see what happens. Yeah. So crossing over the MACD, if we do make a new high, that's going to change things a little bit and kind of negate our bear scenario when something else is going to be happening. And also we will, it's not that the bears are done, but we will start to create more negative divergence on the daily, on the MACD and the RSI as well, unless we start to really burn through that and then bring this momentum much higher in the strength as well. All right, so let's get down to 65 nitty gritty. We use the 65-minute candle, so we have a even candles throughout the trading day. Let's get in there a little bit tighter. Okay, so we had our ABC correction here. Is that a wave 1 or a wave 4? We don't know yet. But if this is a, let's see, if this is a wave 4, then we have our A, B, C. I'm sorry, if this is our wave 4, then we have our 1, 2, and working on wave 3 right now. This may be an ending diagonal. And then if we had a wave 1, then we're probably just about finished with the wave 2. And then we'll work our way down to wave 3, but we'll have to make lower lows here. That's the only confirmation that we have that this will be a wave 3 down. All right, I know that's a far ways away. Okay, so some sectors here. Real boring sector, XLU. But I'm looking at this, starting to make a little bit of a move here, and just looking at that because, you know, XLU, when that starts to move, then you gotta be a little bit cautious there. So keep an eye on that. As a matter of fact, let's look at the Vix Futures. I didn't look at this yet this morning, and see they've been a little bit perky, so almost like it's flagging. So let's see if we can get a little bit higher on the XLU, but I do believe we're at the 8 MA for resistance there, just the opposite of the S&P ES if you're checking that out. And then the other sector was MJ. Usually when we're going sideways, MJ likes to make a little bit of a move. So MJ stock, just check this out. Let's see if we'll come back to support. See what it does here. What was the other sector? Bitcoin. Bitcoin bouncing again. Now Bitcoin's been in this range here, kind of triangulating, and it came right off that 61.8 yesterday, and we're now pushing back off of it. So this may be a good time to look at a 1 2 1 2 setup. And now if we can get some follow through, start breaking out of this trend, then we can start trending to possibly even all-time highs again. I'm really looking forward to Bitcoin moving again. I don't think this silver, but if we do push down out of this triangle and make a new low, then we're talking a whole new game plan. That will be a 1 2 3 4 and then a 5. That means you don't end on a 5 wave. Okay, so that would mean we have ABC up, and then we have much lower to go. So if we hold this this low here and then end up working our way up, then we're talking about possibility of making new highs at that point. All right, so in BTC we're up about almost 4%. So just make sure we check out the proxy names. We're already in Mara. Some of us in the group join Riot as well. So pushing off of this downtrend line, we're gapping up a little bit. Mara's looking good. Maybe we can close the gap above it. Also, Coin, same thing. Yep, at that downtrend line, but look like we're getting a little bit above it. We'll see how it starts to act a little bit closer to the bell. We are gapping up about 4 points at this, 3 or 4 points. So check this out. And then a couple names from the Discord yesterday. We had JPM. Started off strong. We had this ascending triangle. Want to push off of this triangle, back testing a little bit. And let's see if we can get some momentum into maybe the expected move. Or if you look at the measured move, that would be that was this line here about the 174.75 range there. So that's that would be from the ascending triangle, the measured move. All right, if you don't know about that, you take the widest point of the triangle to the neckline, the breaking point, draw a line, and then take that line and put it on the breakout area. All right, so if JPM holds here, and all the other banks, they pretty much look the same. Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, XLF. So check that out. What else? Boom, boom, boom. I think we had a couple people go into Aapl this morning. The trend line's not perfect, but it's coming up on the trend line. Let's see if we can push off and get a little bit. We're on a downtrend in this near term. Let's see if we can start getting a little bit of a bid today. Right now, I'm not doing anything. BA, another upgrade right at the expected move. So let's see if we can break above the expected move. But I am thinking that pretty soon here we might get a 1, 2, 3 and pull back for a wave 4 before moving higher. All right, AMD. AMD was on a lot of the Twitter feeds. So let's see if we can get some follow through on AMD. It did push back off of the expected move, but we might get a little bit of a bid there. 1, 2, 3, wave 4, and 5. So this might be a larger wave 1, then come back to 618, for example, for wave 2. In order to check out these wave counts, Elliott wave, once you get a 5 wave in, let's see if we can get another wave 1 right there, and possibly come back to the 76 area. So a couple of these names are looking for pullbacks pretty soon here, but we'll see what we get. Oh, Walmart. Walmart still in this tight range, starting to bend or roll over at this point, but let's see if we can hold this area and start to work our way back up. Walmart, this is a big 142 area. Let's see if we can get back above that. It's kind of a bow and arrow. If you draw it, let me get this board in here. That'd be a bow and arrow resistance right about at that 142 area. Let's see if we can push back above there. Okay, all right, that's it. This video's been 10 minutes. Thanks for joining us here at Options Center. Good luck trading today. We will be in the Discord.